Hey, welcome to Lesson 1 of Waitlist for WooCommerce. Introduction to Waitlist for WooCommerce. In this video, I will introduce you to the Waitlist for WooCommerce plugin. I'll show you what it does, how it works, and how it can improve your customer experience. Let's get started. First, let's understand the purpose of the plugin. When a product is out of stock, customers can join a waitlist. When the product is back in stock, they can get notified. This keeps the customer engaged and helps you avoid losing sales. Now, let's explore the Waitlist plugin settings. Go to WooCommerce and click on Settings. Now, click on the Products tab and select Waitlist. Here you can configure settings like requiring registration, enabling OTP consent, and more. You can also view and manage the waitlist for each product. This helps you understand customer demand and plan stocks. In waitlist display options, we have waitlist require registration, force account creation, auto login users, enable opt-in, display opt-in for new users, display opt-in for registered users, show waitlist elements on the shop page. Waitlist admin options include archive waitlist, minimum stock, remove data, uninstall, export waitlist data. Waitlist update options include update waitlist counts and update waitlist meta. And that's it for this introduction. The Waitlist for WooCommerce plugin is a powerful tool to improve customer experience and boost sales. This wraps up Lesson 1 for WooCommerce. Subscribe for more plugin tutorials.